Class 10 English, Unit 9, Reading 2. Flowers in Russian culture. Hard word meaning. Staple. A basic or main item used regularly. मुख्य आधारभूत वस्तु. Aroma. A pleasant smell. Sugandha, मीठो वासना. Color palette. A range of colors used together. प्रयोग गरिने रङहरूको समूह. Heartwarming. Making you feel happy, touched or emotionally warm. मन छुने हृदय स्पर्शी. Immensely, very greatly, extremely, अत्यन्तै, धेरै नै. Offended, feeling hurt or insulted by something someone has said or done. अपमानित, चित्त दुखेको. Carnation, a type of flower with soft, ruffled petals. एक प्रकारको फूल, carnation. Cardboard, thick, stiff paper used for making boxes. बाक्लो कागज गत्ता. Omens, signs believed to predict future events. शुभ वा अशुभ संकेतहरू. Fleeting, lasting for only a very short time. क्षणिक छोटो समय टिक्ने. Consequently, as a result, therefore. फलस्वरूप, त्यसकारण. Procreation, the process of producing children or offspring. Dishonesty, lack of honesty, being untruthful. Inevitable, certain to happen, impossible to avoid. अपरिहार्य, हुनै पर्ने. Encapsulate, to express or contain something in a short or simple form. संक्षेपमा समेट्नु. Aromatherapy, treatment using pleasant smelling essential oils. सुगन्धित तेल प्रयोग गरी गरिने उपचार. Fatal, causing death, deadly. घातक ज्यान जाने. Repellent, something that drives away or keeps something away. भगाउने, टाढा राख्ने. Deter, to discourage someone from doing something. निरुत्साही गर्नु, रोक्नु. Self-murmur, spoke quietly to oneself. आफैसँग बिस्तारै बोल्नु, गुनगुनाउनु. Dainty, small, delicate and attractive. सानो, कोमल र सुन्दर. Monologue, a long speech by one person. एकल संवाद, एउटै व्यक्तिको लामो भनाइ. Elegant, graceful, stylish and attractive. आकर्षक, शालीन, सुन्दर. Attendees, people who attend an event or gathering. उपस्थित व्यक्तिहरू, सहभागीहरू. Foreshadow, to give a sign or hint about something that will happen later. भविष्यमा हुने कुराको पूर्व संकेत दिनु. Find out the single words for the following meaning. A strong, usually pleasant smell, aroma. Different colors of paint, especially as used by an artist. Color palette. To a great degree, immensely. Lasting only a short time, fleeting. The act or process of producing children or baby animals, procreation. Enclose something in or as if in a capsule, encapsulate. A type of treatment which involves massaging the body with a special fragrant oil, aromatherapy. Causing to be kept away, repellent. To be a sign of something that will happen in future, foreshadow. Words like gift-giving, heartwarming, cardboard, etc. are compound words. Make a list of such compound words from the text. Fortune-telling, self-murmur, flower-giving, newlywed, lesser-known, washed out, breakup. Complete the sentences. People do not care which flowers they are receiving as long as the flowers are beautiful and they give a pleasant aroma and visually pleasing color palette. Flowers are gifted worldwide to express love and affection. Following this strict flower etiquette, people gifting flowers in Russia can avoid offending people. Red carnations symbolize patriotism, produced by the Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party of Bolsheviks. Russian people believe that the white carnation strips holders of good luck and talent, so we should not give them to performers. Russian people do not gift red poppy flowers to their loved ones because they think if they do so, their love becomes weak. When Russians want to break up from their beloved ones, they gift yellow flowers. Chamomiles have medical value, so they can be used for the treatment of fatal diseases. We should not gift a white lily bouquet in a Russian wedding as it symbolizes death. Mention any 2 reasons for which people gift flowers to others. People gift flowers to express love and affection and as a thoughtful gesture of goodwill. How do people feel when they are gifted with flowers? People feel heartwarming when they are gifted with flowers. What determines the selection of flowers for gifting in Russia? The selection of flowers is determined by the setting and the rules of flower etiquette. Which event in Russian history is reflected by the red carnation? The 1917 February Revolution is reflected by the red carnation. Does a Russian like to keep a white carnation under their pillow? Why? Yes, Russians believe that placing a white carnation under the pillow while sleeping leaves them inspired when they wake up the next morning. What's the reason for connecting a red poppy with a fragile love? The reason for connecting red poppy with a fragile love is that it symbolizes weakness and fleeting love. What makes the Russian people eat red poppy seeds at their wedding? Russian people eat poppy seeds at traditional weddings because they are considered a symbol of happiness for married couples. Do you prefer to grow chamomile in your garden? Why? Yes, I prefer to grow chamomile in my garden because it has various medical benefits and can also help deter irritating insects. What color is chamomile? Chamomile has slender white petals and a bright yellow center. Write the names of 2 flowers used for fortune telling. The 2 flowers used for fortune telling are chamomile and lily of the valley. Which flower is mostly used in Russian wedding? Poppy is associated with Russian weddings, particularly its seeds, which are eaten as a symbol of happiness for married couples. Writing to A र B मा स्टोरी राइटिङ छ। स्टोरी कसरी सुरु गर्ने, आइडियाज कसरी डेभलप गर्ने, ल्याङ्ग्वेज र स्ट्रक्चर कसरी मिलाउने अनि एक्जाममा राम्रो मार्क्स ल्याउन के कुरामा ध्यान दिने, यी सबै कुरा सरल रूपमा यो भिडियोमा बुझाइएको छ। पर्फेक्ट स्टोरी राइटिङको पुरा स्टेप बाइ स्टेप एक्सप्लेनेसन हेर्न हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलमा जानुहोस् र पुरा भिडियो हेर्नुहोस्।